Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Connect Civilians. So in this lecture we are going to see how to calculate the quantity for concrete work in the Excel sheet. Okay, so we have already done the manual calculation for this. So if you haven't watched that video, I have brought the link in the description. Okay, or end of this video, you can go and check out first. Okay, so here we have done step by step all the procedure for the calculation of cement, sand and aggregate. Similarly, in this Excel sheet we are going to find how to calculate it, so it will be more easy to you calculate. So here is the grade of the concrete, so you have to first choose the grade of the concrete. Okay, so here are some of the options for the calculation of grade of concrete. So from 5 to 7 up to 50, 60. Okay, we have calculated. If you don't know the ratio for that, if it is a design mix from above the 25 mm, from 30 it is a design mix, but the ratio for the M30 was also been taken. But for higher grade of concrete, if you are taking, so M50, M from M40, more than M45, okay, more from M45 to 60, so these will be a design mix, so you can take the ratio by yourself also. All you need to do is to copy this Excel sheet in another uh, Excel file, and you have to just insert this ratio by yourself, okay, for the calculation. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to select any of the grade. So we am going to take M25, as we have done the manual calculation for M25, so you can match both of the manual and Excel together for the correction. Okay, now we can go. So our from M25, this grade will be taken by itself. Okay, see, if you select M30, so grade will changes. So for M25 it is changes. Okay, all you need to do, you have to provide this dimension, that is what you are going to require the concrete, for what you are to require the concrete. So assume you have to provide the slab, you have to cast the slab. Okay, so our length is 3.34, width was 2 meter, and our height or thickness, that is the depth of the slab, is 0.15 meter. Now what you have to do, you have to, here wet volume will be calculated by itself, this yellow one will be calculated by itself, and all you need to do, you have to insert in these uh, boxes. Okay, so our what volume is calculated at 1.002. So you can also change your dry volume constant 1.54. For as far as 456, we have to take the dry volume constant as 1.54. Okay, so you can also change it here. Okay, if you want to. If you don't want to, don't do anything, or if you want to, so you can change. Okay, so our dry volume that is calculated for this given area was volume was 1.54. Okay, m cube. Now density of cement is, you have to mention the all the density for the calculation in kgs. Okay, so our density is taken as 41440, density of sand is taken as 1450, and density aggregate is 1500. Okay, and here it is the water cement ratio constant. So I've already added all the value for the different grades. So for M25 it is 0.5, for M30 it is 0.45. Okay, for M40 it is 0.4. Okay, from this table you have already mentioned here. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Okay, so for M25 it is 0.5. Now all the value will be calculated here. Cement quantity calculation, volume of cement is calculated as 0.386, volume of cement in kgs will be calculated as 556, number of bags is 11, and water cement ratio is also calculated. So how much water will be required? So it is 278 liters. Okay, similarly for cement it is calculated, and for aggregate it is calculated. If you want to change the area, see, let's assume you have to cast the 8 by 8 mm of meter of slab of 150 thickness. Okay, so now our water volume is 9.6 m cube. So our dry volume is calculated as 14.78. These are the densities. Okay, so unit will be calculated. If you want to change the grade, also we can change the grade. So it is now we have taken M30. So our water cement ratio is also changes 0.45. So for this area of slab, for for dry volume of 14.78, we required cement of 131 bag. Okay, sand quantity of 120 cubic feet and aggregate quantity of 240 cubic feet. Okay, so you need to only change the grade of the concrete and your area and the volume that you have to cast. Okay, all the things will be calculated here, and density you have to see. For general users, for general building in market, for this density it is available. But if you are going with the higher grade of cement or high strength cement, so what you have to do, you have to check the density of sand, cement and aggregate. Okay, otherwise it is okay to calculate in this. Okay, so I hope this excel will help you to calculate your required amount of cement, sand and aggregate. Okay, very easily. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.